Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain AI artificial intelligence in simple English. In this video, you will learn what is AI, that is artificial intelligence, how does AI work, uses of AI for students, uses of AI in office work, uses of AI in image creation, video editing and writing, popular free AI tools, advantages and disadvantages of AI, the future importance of AI. This video will be very useful for students, teachers, job seekers, business owners and the general public. Video title: What is AI? That is artificial intelligence, or how AI is changing our lives, or AI tools explained. Let us get started. What is an AI tool? An AI artificial intelligence tool is a computer software or application that helps perform various tasks by mimicking human intelligence. AI tools can answer questions, generate text, create images, translate languages, solve mathematical problems, and provide solutions to many kinds of tasks. These tools save time and make our work easier and faster. Uses of AI tools. Number 1, in education, homework assistance, essay writing, note preparation, exam preparation, learning English, solving mathematics. Number 2, office work, writing reports, creating PowerPoint presentations, working with Excel, writing emails, creating resumes. Number 3, design, logo design, poster creation, image generation, video editing, animation. Number 4, programming, writing code, fixing errors, learning programming. 5, agriculture, crop planning, disease identification, weather information, farming advice. Number 6, healthcare, general health information, health awareness, medical guidance, not a substitute for professional doctors. Number 7, language translation, English to Bengali, Bengali to English, Hindi to Bengali, other languages. Eight, content creation, YouTube clips, blog writing, Facebook posts, story writing, SEO, titles and description. Popular AI tools: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Canva AI, Grammarly, Perplexity AI, Notion AI, Photomath, Quizlet AI, Kamigo. Now let us briefly discuss each of these AI tools. ChatGPT. First comes ChatGPT. It can explain almost any topic in simple language. With ChatGPT, you can do homework, write essays, create notes, prepare for exam, practice English. However, always remember not to copy AI generated answer directly. Understand the topic first and write it in your own words. Number 2, Google Gemini. The second tool is Google Gemini. It is Google's AI assistant. You can use it to understand difficult topics easily, gather information, get project ideas, summarize lengthy chapters. Number 3, Microsoft Copilot. The third tool is Microsoft Copilot. It is especially useful for users of Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. helps you create PowerPoint presentation, write reports, learn Excel formulas, complete office work more quickly. Canva AI. Fourth tool is Canva AI. It is excellent for school and college projects. You can easily create presentation, posters, certificates, infographics. Number 5, Perplexity AI. This AI tool is very popular for research and information gathering. It provides answers by collecting information from reliable sources. 6, Grammarly. If you make grammar mistakes while writing in English, Grammarly helps correct them. It improves spelling, grammar, sentence structure, writing style. Number 7, Notion AI. Using Notion AI, you can easily create study notes, to-do list, assignment plans, summarize. Number 8, Quizlet AI. Quizlet AI is an excellent tool for exam preparation. It creates flashcards and quizzes to help you remember what you study. 9, Photomath. For students who find mathematics difficult, Photomath is extremely useful. Simply take a picture of a math problem and it provides step-by-step solution. Number 10, Khanmigo. Finally, we have Khanmigo. Instead of just giving answer, it teaches concepts step by step and helps you understand the subject better. Friends, AI can make learning much easier, but always remember, use AI to learn, not to cheat. Which AI tool did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now I am stopping this video for the day. Thank you for watching.